Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Swati and welcome back to my channel where if the book is nice, we read it twice. So today I have come back after a very long hiatus. This time I think I have better hold on things, a better control on things that what I want to do. So here goes nothing. Let's start with this video. So this is another, you guessed it, a TBR video for the month of August. So now this time there won't be any complicated game, although I do love my last complicated game to pick out my TBR, but this time it is a simple TBR and let's just get into it. Okay, so this is the month of August and I declare I am done with summer. I don't want it anymore, so I declare fall. Even though the outside temperature will tell you otherwise, I declare fall, and from starting of my fall I want all the romances that I can get, and that's why the first book that I want to read is Heartstopper. It's not a book that I want to read, it's the whole collection. Let me just show it to you. The complete Heartstopper collection by Alice Oseman. Nick and Charlie, who meet in their 10th form. Nick is in his 10th form and Charlie is in 11th. And as the book back suggests, boy meets boy, boy becomes friend, boys fall in love. So it is as simple and it is very heartwarming. There is a series also made from these books and on Netflix, and when I finish my read of Heartstopper, I will soon just dive into the series as well. There is a movie called Heartstopper Forever, from where everything culminates, and that is where I want to go. So these are actually 6 Heartstopper volumes plus a Heartstopper yearbook plus a short novella between Nick and Charlie, which comes at last of the story, so which also ties up into Alice Oseman's Another World. But since we are just reading Heartstopper today, that's where I'm going to leave it. So the next books on my TBR are To All the Boys That I've Loved Before. It's a Jenny Han series, very popular on BookTube, and it's been out quite a long time. But I think I want to start my romance reading again. As I said, my channel is, if the book is nice, we read it twice, and that's what I'm going to do. I have already read this series and love this series, and now I want to read this series again. So these are To All the Boys I Have Loved Before, P.S. I Still Love You, and Always and Forever Laura Jean. After these two series that I've tackled, I want to dabble in some standalone books, which is not a series, but again it won't be any less fun. For that I have picked Rainbow Royals, Eleanor and Park. This is also one of my all-time favorite romance. It is about Eleanor and Park and how love when found in your high school is kind of always destined to not last, but they will give it their best shot, and I think that sums up the story to the best, to the fullest, and I think I would love to read this one again. Next Rainbow Royal book that I want to talk about is Fangirl. I have tried to read this so many times and I have never finished it. I don't know why, because I love Rainbow Royal's writing and I was always absolutely loving this book, but somehow or the other I always missed on finishing it. So this is what I'm going to do this time. This time I'm going to finish Fangirl. This book is about Kath and Ren. They are twins who are in absolute love with Simon Snow character. Now Simon Snow character is something like Harry Potter of our universe. Kath writes fan fiction for the Simon Snow universe, and that's almost all of her life. Now they are going to school, Ren and Kath, and Ren doesn't want to be with her twin sister anymore. She wants to find her own path, which is devastating for Kath. And this is a story of how Kath, being a wallflower, gets out of her shell and how she continues her love affair with Simon Snow, but and also finds real love. The next book that I want to talk about is again a Rainbow Royale short story compilation. Now this is first compilation by Rainbow Royale for short stories. It has got 9 stories and it is called Scattered Shower. Now these are short stories written in typical Rainbow Royale fashion. You don't need too many words to fall in love with her characters, and that's how it's written. I have read this one before as well, but I just wanted to visit this universe again, and that's why I'm reading this for the second time. So this is Rainbow Royale Scattered Shower. Now two of the most loved stories of Scattered Shower are also part of Almost Midnight. It is a short novella where we read about the two of the stories which is already there, but this has Semini Blockers illustrations in it, and this is a special edition to for a homage of sort to typical Rainbow Royale fashion of writing. So I think I needed this too as well, and those two stories, instead of reading from Scattered Showers, I would be experiencing from this collection. Now I have talked about a lot of romance books this for this August TBR. I have talked about Heartstopper, I have talked about Rainbow Royals, I talk about To All the Boys I've Loved Before series. I think I am pretty set for the reading for this month. But there is one small test that I want to put myself through, which is reading the complete Famous 5 series. Now as a kid, I'll put it down because this is heavy, but as a kid I used to love my Famous 5 series by Enid Blyton, and I have always wanted to revisit the universe back again. So I don't know how this experiment will go, whether I love it or think it's too juvenile. I don't think so, but I wanted to try, and this is an experiment that I'll be doing this month. I absolutely love the first book that I read from in the series, just to give it a little taste test, and my taste test was correct. I loved the series, so that's what I'm gonna do. Throughout the month, I'll scatter these smaller books around, and then at the end of the month, I'll come back to you and let you know about all the Enid Blyton Famous 5 series. There are 21 books in the series, and I plan to finish them all. So this was my August TBR list. I know it is a huge list, but I have faith in myself, and I think I'll be able to read them all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed looking at my TBR. It's a fun one, and after this I'll be posting my regular vlogs. I'll be also participating in Burst Wordathon challenge by Books with Lala, and I'll be posting a vlog for the same. So look out for my coming videos. I intend to keep myself busy this month, and I hope you enjoy it all. So thanks for today. That'll be all, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.